HEALTHCAREONOMIcs, changing healthcare by changing the way you think about healthcare.
Welcome to HEALTHCAREONOMICS 101. I'm Dr. Kevin Wacasey, and today's lesson is on health insurance versus pizza. You wouldn't let a health insurance company pick what goes on your pizza, so why do you let them pick which doctor you get to see? Any questions?
Now you can easily compare health insurance plans and pick the one that makes the most financial sense with the Dr. W's Equation app, available for Android and iPhone. And for more information on how you can save on health insurance and healthcare, check out my books, available now on Amazon, iTunes, and Nook. To help spread this message, please click the like button on this video. You can also subscribe to the HealthCareOnomics YouTube channel and visit healthcareonomics.com.